Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today's going to be another hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I'm a little lost for words in this video. I'm trying to be optimistic, but I am a little bit nervous. This one here is from YWigs. Her name is Ava and she's pretty much a 12-inch spring curly middle part Brazilian lace wig. And the spring curly is the part that makes it like cute little Shirley Temple curls, but the fact that it's so short, I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. So I'm kind of looking at it, trying it on for size. I love the fact that the lace cap is a medium brown color. It's also a full lace wig. So look at the back. If I want to do a half up, half down, I want to do like 4 space buns or anything crazy, I can literally do anything that I want with this one. This here is the inside construction of the cap. Again, it's full lace. So in the front you have that regular medium brown lace, and then in the back you have that cap lace, which you guys see me, part so that you can see how it's gonna look. And I'm pretty pleased with the actual lace. I don't need to tint the lace or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. I did this in 2 steps. At first I was going to go ahead and tweeze the hairline, but I decided to just go ahead and leave it as is for now. I did want to cut a little bit off to get it away from my brows, and I did that, and now I'm just cutting off all the excess lace. Next up, we're going to bond the wig down. I was having trouble with this step. Normally I never ever have an issue with this, but I think it's just the way I was pulling the lace back with these little clips. But you'll see when it's all said and done, I got the job done. Now I did use a non-glue adhesive. You guys see my face right there. My facial expressions always say it all. It was like it wasn't laying flat, but it was laying flat. Again, I think it's just because of the way I was pulling the wig back. And you can see how nicely this one blends with my complexion. This is gonna look so good. Even if you want to keep the hair out of your face and like a half up, half down, this one's gonna be beautiful. Now this is a step that you haven't seen me do in a while. I'm taking alcohol and just cleaning up the hairline. You guys see it's a little messy, it's a little white. I usually am able to get through. Hey girl, you want to talk to the people? Say hi. Say hello. I have Dominic with me, so shout out to her. But I just found that I did make a little bit of a mess when bonding the lace down. Again, it wasn't fitting like my lace normally would, so it just gave me a little bit of issues. Ooh, I was looking cute there. I was getting a little bit more confident with the styles and trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it. But again, keep your alcohol handy. It's going to help to clean up the lace whenever you make a mistake or you want to just clean it off in general. So I was a little bit confused. I didn't want to make any mistakes and cut into the lace without needing to. So I went to the website to see how they had the wig styled, and it looks on the website how it looks in person. So I just decided to, finesse it. This would be so cute to do like a really big curly fro with the, you know, curly bangs. I just wasn't brave enough to cut the bangs. Maybe I should have, just for an experiment. I'm going to take mousse and a little bit of conditioner. Of course, everything I use is linked in the description box for you guys to check out, but just watch me style it. We're going to go for a side part and let's just see how it's going to come out. So I may have made the side part a little bit too deep. I can go back in and fix that at any time. I kind of like the way the baby hair came out, and right now I'm just using the hot like flat barrel of the electric hot comb to kind of re-stamp out some crimps so that it doesn't look too straight and it looks a little bit more wavy to match the rest of the hair. And that shakeout was everything. This hair is absolutely beautiful. So I'm finally done with this one, and I love the way it came out. Now originally it came style where it kind of was meant to have like a front bang and then the rest of it be out. As you guys can see, once you go ahead and style it and add your styling products, the bang is actually pretty long when you pull out the curls, and so it pretty much comes below my chin, so you would have to custom cut it. And I kind of got a little nervous to cut it because then I knew if I cut it to here to be above my eyebrows and I hate it, I'm gonna be upset. So I kind of finessed it and went for the side swoop. Maybe after I've used it for a while, I may get adventurous and go for the center. Get a load of how beautiful the curls are when you kind of pull them out. I felt like the side part showcased this wig the most. I love how the curl pattern is when you pull the curls apart. This is actually very beautiful. Now, as you guys seen, I did use two kind of products, and I used quite a bit of product. Now the reason I did that is because I just am not in the mood for wet hair on my shoulders right now, so I had to use more product to get this look. If you don't want to use as much product, which I don't really recommend you use so much product just because it's a waste, go ahead and wet the hair, not to get it soaking wet, more so just to get it damp, and that will bypass a lot of that waste of product, and you pretty much will get a similar result. Again, I do have a lot of product in here, so when I revamp my hair tomorrow morning, I'll just be able to wet it down a little bit. This one did come from YWigs. You guys know I do work with this company often. They did include elastic, and this is very interesting. I'm just noticing this, but they gave an elastic band, and as you guys can see, it's adjustable, which is very innovative. So you guys see here, it's adjustable. Now, I've done a lot, or quite a few, elastic band hair tutorials on this channel, and as I've mentioned many a times, the downside or one of the negative things that can happen is when you measure out your elastic and then you sew it on, you can sew it on, put the wig on, and then within an hour or two you can realize, oh crap, I made this way too tight. So this is perfect because you'll be able to kind of sort of make it tighter with this before you sew it in, like make it like this to where it has some give, and that way you compare it here, and then once you put it in, if it's too tight, you can adjust it. So that's very innovative, and I actually like this idea because for me, a lot of the times when a wig comes with the elastic, it's almost never as tight fitting and good as when I put my own. Like when I put my own, I know the wig is not going anywhere, whereas when it comes with one in there, sometimes it's just different things. The placement may be off, it may not be as tight as I needed, and so forth and so on. So that is a cool little innovative thing right there. Oh, they also did give me some wig caps, so add that to the stash. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. You guys know all your efforts always help me out so much, and they never go unnoticed. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!